2 days away, and if you've pushed off grabbing some last-minute gifts, it is not too late to get them under the Christmas tree, no matter how close we get to that deadline. Joining us now is financial planner Elaine King Fuentes with spending some tips for the holiday scramble. Thank you so much for joining us, Ms. Fuentes. You know, we have a poll on our show this morning that talks about where people might be in their holiday wrapping and their holiday gifts shopping, and about 50% of people say they still haven't even started yet. Can you talk to us a little bit from the retail side? How big is this last-minute push actually?
It's terrible because most people wait till last minute, and that's where people overspend. Usually 30% of the amount that they put in their head. So my first tip for everybody listening is to make a calculation. It's very easy. Your annual salary times 1% is what you should spend, no more than that. So if your salary is $75,000, then do not spend more than $750. It's kind of like a game. Once you hit that, don't spend anymore. That's one. But the second one is, what are you going to buy right now? Because all the shelves are gone. Everything in the shelf is gone. So think of categories. I personally like to gift, and I tell my clients, education, travel, experiences, and you don't have to find those at the mall. You can buy them in the future. You can plan them ahead.
I've read something online that says, don't feel bad or guilty about buying gift cards. I think for the longest time that we've all been kind of programmed to think gift cards is a meaningless gift, it's a thoughtless gift. But I think nowadays many people can appreciate it and think of how quickly it is to turn.
Yeah, like a gift card with a message. So I'm giving you $100 or $50 so you could put towards your travel when you go to Mexico next week, or, you know, when you're going on your graduation gift. This is for a paddleboarding activity, something with a meaning, not just cash, because I'm not about giving cash. You have to put purpose to the money that you give. So a card giving instructions to the gift receiver will be amazing.
I like that, a meaningful gift card. That makes a lot of sense. Can you kind of dive deeper into why do you think people are so quick to go out of budget when you talk about last-minute shopping? Is it just kind of the freak out and making sure you get something and you're realizing that, you know, you already just kind of accept that your budget's going to be blown anyway? You know, why are these budgets ignored when you get to these periods of time so close to Christmas?
So it's often confused that people get stressed for shopping when people are getting stressed for not planning. So we can't fix that right now, but what we can do is think of who we want to be in January. January, we want to be somebody that will plan ahead. July, you can start putting every month amount. So in December, you not only have the money, but you also have the gifts. So think of meaningful stuff and don't stress over buying. People don't want another sweater, another pair of socks. People want your time and experiences. So you can have thoughtful gifts with what you said, the gift certificates, but also to go big on a category. Who doesn't like to go traveling? So gift into that travel dream that your friend, your family, your relative wants. Education, financial education, that's the best gift you can give anybody, because that's the gift that keeps on giving.
I like these tips. Elaine King Fuentes, thank you so much for joining us and giving us your expertise this morning.
Yes, and if you need more resources, letsplan.org. It's the CFP board website.
Love it. Thank you, ma'am.